Hello, welcome to a self-introduction, a Ryan Earl story with Ryan Earl. So my background, I am majoring in mechanical engineering and minoring in science and technical communications. That's why I'm in this class. But I do hope to learn how to take better pictures, not to sound, like obvious, but I don't know how. I've gotten in trouble with my parents because I take bad pictures. So, I'm trying to learn. I have been on online classes before, obviously last semester, but the summers before I've done some. A fun fact, if that's what you want to call it, is I'm the manager of the bagel place on campus. So come on by. Now let's check the stats. So I got this camera. It's a Canon EOS 400D DSLR with the lens being an EFS 18 to 55 millimeter. That's the Amazon link. It's that little pack. That's actually what I got. I have to get a camera since I'm online, and I didn't know anything, so that's what I got. But yep, thanks guys. Have a good one.